In this video, we are going to see how we can confirm your identity on the Facebook. So this will help you to enable many options on Facebook that you should be able to use after the confirming of identity. So here is a complete procedure for it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner on your profile and choose settings and privacy and choose settings. And on the left hand side, you can see this password and security option. Just click on that. From here, just choose personal details. And from here, just choose identity confirmation. And here, as you can see, that one issue needs to be fixed. You can view that issues. You can upload your official documents so that it can verify you on Facebook. And you can also click on the get started option to confirm your identity, and whatever options it asks for, you can proceed according to that. So for example, if you're running ads about the social issues and elections and all, you can click on that. You click on none of above if you want to choose some other options to confirm your identity. And that is all you have to do. You submit your details and you should be confirmed on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.